as a circuit consisting of capacitor and resistor, and they're asking what will be the V naught. Okay, so this is a simple circuit, and we can calculate the output voltage by simply applying voltage divider rule. But the important thing we have to notice in this question, that they have given you an input which has DC part as well as the AC part. And here we have a capacitor, and we know the capacitor does not pass the DC signals. So only while calculating the V naught, you have to use the AC part of the input. So only 3 cos omega t will pass from here. Okay, now we can simply apply voltage dividing rule and we can find the V naught. And this in the question also saying that V naught is written as a P plus Q cos omega t minus 5, and because it will pass only a AC signal, so DC part will be 0, so output in the output also DC part will be 0, so your P will be 0. Now the remaining thing is we need to find the Q. Okay, and phase. Okay, so phase change, so because the phase will also change when input you're applying, the output phase will also change. So let us find now. So DCP is 0, so I'm applying V naught by applying voltage divider rule. Okay, so impedance of capacitor is 1 by j omega c. By solving this, I can get this one. And I omega RC value is given 2 in the question. We can put that value, and input value also we can put 3 cos omega t. So this will give us the value 6j plus 2j cos omega t, and the magnitude of this will be 6 upon root 5. Of course, there will be phase change. Okay, the whatever phase changes we are putting this in terms of phi here. So this is your output. So P value is 0 here, and Q value is 6 by root 5. Okay, so this is given as a option C. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you very much.